Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Advanced Technology. The future of clean energy is here. China has just turned on the world's first 20-megawatt offshore wind turbine, a massive structure spinning off the coast of Fujian province. This isn't just another windmill, it's a powerhouse. With its giant blades, this single turbine can generate enough clean electricity to power thousands of homes, marking a huge step forward in renewable energy technology. It's a game changer, showing how we can harness the power of the wind on an incredible scale. What makes this achievement even more special is that every single part of this giant turbine was made in China. From the complex generator to the towering blades, it's a showcase of the country's growing strength in advanced manufacturing and engineering. This complete in-house production demonstrates a powerful self-reliance and signals major progress in the global race for green technology. This isn't just about one turbine. It's a symbol of a nation's commitment to innovation. This new wind turbine is part of a much bigger picture. Alongside this project, China is also building vast solar farms in its deserts and launching new, large-scale hydropower projects. Together, these efforts show a rapid and determined shift away from fossil fuels and toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. The country is not just talking about renewable energy, it's actively building the infrastructure to make it a reality on a massive scale. Clean energy is changing the world,